Hello, guys. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. I know it's been a long time. There have been no video on my channel. Running busy in CA final studies. So actually, yesterday my anthologies got released. So I just thought I'll prepare a comprehensive video of sharing the details of the anthologies, how the opportunity came to me, and how the surreal the moment is. So yeah, stay tuned till the end of the video. So the two anthologies which are being launched yesterday, the first one is Heart It Out and second one is Dad and Me. In both of them I am a co-author. In Heart and Me I have shared my two stories, one of manifestation of dreams and how it achieved me practically in life to just go through that IPCC both group examinations, and second is Never Give Up, Believe in Universe, and how it helped me that theory to just get my admission for law college. And in second anthology, Dad and Maid is purely thanking my dad and just appreciating for whatever he's been doing relentlessly, grateful for that. So yeah, it's not that कि ऐसे कल लिखना चालू किया and I just got the opportunity. No, it don't happen like that. First of all, before going deep into the video, if anyone is interested in reading the anthologies, I'm going to drop my Insta handle below or mention in the comments. We'll talk and I'll share the link for you can buy the book and read it if you are interested. So it's not that कि कल लिखना चालू किया और मेरे को परसों एंथोलॉजी का अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल गया. नहीं, ऐसे नहीं होता. I have been writing, I think, from 7th standard when I started getting on Facebook, when I started interacting with new people around me. Sorry, not around me, but on that social media platform. From that moment, I just was quite expressive. I just had that in me to just say, had that fearless ability to say whatever I wanted to. So that is where from it started. And then basically I got into my first relationship, so then I started writing just to capture those beautiful moments of my life in a diary. So I used to write about every damn day. That is where the journey started, and then I just kept on writing on WhatsApp status, and then I used to write on WhatsApp, and then probably I used to write for myself, or I used to express. Then when I started interacting more with the people around, when I started getting deep down conversations, I always had my viewpoint. I always had my own mindset, which I always tried to take it to the opposite person. So I always, very deep, very expressive. And then the Instagram got into my life, and that was the moment where I was like, oh my god, whatever emotions I had, it used to be on my captions, it used to be on my Insta stories, and I was always a candid personality. So that is where it started, and I just started enjoying writing. It was basically then I understood that, oh, it is my passion and I am a natural writer, and whenever I feel like I'll write. It is not that you can't bound me कि आज लिखना है कल लिखना है. I enjoy writing. It is a very natural process for me, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. And then when I lost my mom, and to express those emotions, what I am going through, I thought the writing was the best place to just ensure that I am in proper mindset. So from the day I lost my mom, I started writing about each day of how tough it is, how intimidating it is, how threatening it is, how mentally challenging it is. And that is where I just again got into the thick of it, and then I just kept penning down my thoughts. And after some 10, 15, 12 years, I suddenly just got a call from my friend because he used to read my Insta captions. Ekansh, he referred her friend to Nidhi about, yes, he can be a co-author in your anthology, and that is how it got started. And just the opportunity came, and I was just not going to drop this, let this opportunity go. So it's very important that you can work for years, but when the opportunity will come, you have to grab it with both your hands. So बोलते हैं ना, वन ब्रिंग्स टू, क्रिकेट में बोलते हैं वन ब्रिंग्स टू, वो गुच्छे में विकेट आती है. वैसे ही एक एंथोलॉजी के साथ दूसरी भी एंथोलॉजी आ गई, एंड लकीली दोनों सेम डे पे रिलीज हो गई. सो दिस वाज द स्टोरी ऑफ इट. Was 10-15 years of me writing on different platforms, different diaries, and then suddenly one fine day you get an opportunity and you become a co-author, and your stories are being published in your book, and that is a feeling is surreal. When I was reading it, it was kind of goosebumps moment, and some moments are just not, you can express in words. It is really overwhelming, really heart touching. So in Heart It Out, I have shared my story of how I like managed to clear IPCC and how difficult it was, and how if you have certain theories in your mind, if you have the right mindset, if you are there to be patient, you can kill it whatever you want to in life. देर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड एज इम्पॉसिबल. जो आके बोलता है ना नहीं कर सकता, वो पहले करने जाने का और करके दिखाने का, और फिर एंड देन यू डोंट हैव टू स्पीक एनीथिंग. जब तुमने कर लिया ना, अपने आप वो आंसर पहुंच जाना चाहिए. डोंट फॉल इनटू द थिंग्स ऑफ मैं इसको बोल के गलत प्रूव करूंगा. ना ना ना, कोई कुछ बोल रहा है ना, ये नहीं हो सकता, ठीक है रजिस्टर कर लो. तुमको लगता है तुम कर सकते हो, कर लो, और बस देन लेट द वर्ल्ड सी इट कि क्या हो गया, वो शिट ऐसा हो भी सकता था. सिंपल. And by sharing this experience, I just want to say to you folks that ensure that you are living your life on your own terms. Do whatever you want to. Just do whatever you want to. Don't let anyone else dictate your life. मत किसी को बोलने दो तेरे को ये करना चाहिए, ये टाइम पे ये करना चाहिए. नहीं, तुम अपने हिसाब से जो करना है करो, जो एडवेंचर करना है करो. इट इज वन लाइफ, इट इज एन एडवेंचर. एक्सप्लोर इट एज मच एज यू कैन. एंड सीखना है ना, तो ये एडवेंचर करो. गिरोगे भी, गिरो, उससे सीखो. दैट इज द बेस्ट लर्निंग फेज. लर्न फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्स, बिकॉज तब तुम गिरते हो ना तो यूनिवर्स सिखाता है, कोई तुम्हारे आसपास वाला नहीं सिखाता तुम्हें. एंड इट हैव नॉट बीन कि आई हैव नॉट फेल्ड, आई एम अ कांस्टेंट फेलियर इन लाइफ, बट इट्स जस्ट दैट द अनस्टॉपेबल थिंग इन मी. I always say to universe, you can fail me, but you can't stop me. You can only stop me when you are taking me to that place, when you are calling me above. That is the only day where you will be able to stop me. So it is all about your mindset. You can fall down, but you need to have that grit to get up and to just face the universe with more intensity, with more passion, and with being more wiser. And that is the reason it is very important. And you need to fight it out. You need to live your life on your own terms. Be content with yourself. And whenever you are having such big moments in life, ensure that you are the biggest appreciator, you are the biggest self-obsessed personality, because there will be moments where it can be the biggest moment of your life, but just because someone is interacting with you and someone is giving you such a vibe, तुम्हें लगता है कि शायद ये कोई moment ही नहीं है. Don't let that happen. Understand the big moments in your life. Learn to celebrate. And if you are not able to celebrate with the people around you, the people around you are not giving vibe, you yourself are enough. If you can push to that thing, if you can achieve that thing, you can celebrate that thing. And that is the thing where we lack. Sometimes we wait for that validation, or we wait for that appreciation, or we wait for that कि वो comment आएगा तब पता चलेगा कुछ बड़ा कर लिया. No, तुझे लग रहा है ना तूने बड़ा किया तो किया. किसी को हो सकता है कल लगे, किसी को हो सकता है 10 साल बाद लगे. You can't stop. You have to, because वो मोमेंट में एक मोटिवेशन, एक माइंडसेट डेवलप होता है. और अगर तब तुमने खुद को बोल दिया ना कि भाई बहुत बड़ा काम कर लिया, you can channelize your energy for taking some bigger task in life. And that is the reason, don't wait for anyone's approval, beat anyone. कुछ कर लिया ना तो खुद को बोलने की हिम्मत रखो कि क्या काम किया है. I'm proud of yourself, pat your back. And trust me, this launch of book gives me that emotion, gives me that feeling. I'm actually chuffed to bits that, oh yes, I've done something. Proud of myself. I'll keep venturing, I'll keep exploring. And don't let the flame burn in you. वो अंदर की आग निकालो. वो आग जिस दिन बाहर आ गई ना, कोई रोक नहीं सकता. And be unstoppable. गिरना तो पड़ेगा, फेल तो होना पड़ेगा, उसका अलग ही मजा है. उससे जो तुम सीखते हो ना, वो कभी तुम पास होगे या सक्सेस पाके कभी नहीं सीख पाओगे जो फेलियर सिखाएगा. It makes you understand that you have to be humble, that you have to learn and keep learning.